feeling stuck in a rut? Like life just punched you in the gut and left you gasping for air? Fear not, my friends, because a comeback is totally within reach. In fact, it's going to be your greatest comeback ever. So buckle up because we're about to hit the gas and launch you towards success. Number 1, disappear. The Sasuke way, kind of. First things first, we gotta take a page out of Sasuke's training manual. Remember how he went off the grid to get super strong? We're not suggesting you literally disappear into the wilderness, although a weekend camping trip wouldn't hurt. But it's time for a strategic mental retreat. Disconnect from negativity, those social media feeds that bring you down and the voice is telling you can't. This is your time to regroup, reflect, and figure out what kind of comeback story you want to write. Number 2, reinvent yourself, but keep your awesomeness. Okay, so if you had some time to clear your head, now it's time to unleash your inner phoenix and rise from the ashes. A better, bolder you. Maybe you want to finally learn the language you've always dreamed of, or pick up that creative skill you put on hold. This is your chance to explore new passions and reinvent yourself. But remember, this isn't about erasing who you are, it's about amping up your awesomeness and becoming the most incredible version of yourself. Number 3, level up your mornings with the Huberman protocol. Alright, listen up. Your mornings set the tone for your entire day. That's why we're bringing in the science with Dr. Andrew Huberman's epic morning routine. Dr. Andrew Huberman, a neuroscientist who knows a thing or two about optimizing your brain, has a morning routine that's like a power-up per day. Here's the lowdown. First things first, forget hitting news. Aim to wake up naturally around 6:30 a.m., then it's all about light. Dr. Huberman swears by getting natural sunlight within the first hour of waking. No time for a beach stroll? No worries, even a quick walk outside will do. Sunlight helps regulate your sleep cycle and energizes you for the day. Next up, hydration. Your brain needs water to function properly, so Dr. Huberman recommends donning 2 glasses of water right after waking up. You can even add a pinch of sea salt for some extra electrolytes. Now, some folks crave coffee first thing, but Dr. Huberman suggests waiting. He recommends delaying caffeine for 90 minutes to 2 hours after waking. This allows your body to naturally produce adenosine, a chemical that helps you focus later when you do have your coffee. While you wait for your caffeine fix, you can squeeze in some exercise or meditation. Dr. Huberman likes to mix it up with weight training, cardio, or even yoga. Whatever gets your blood pumping and your mind clear. Number 4, slay the procrastination monster. We all know the struggle, that looming to-do list that just sits there, judging us. But fear not, comeback warriors, we're gonna slay the procrastination monster with a ninja-like precision. Break down your goals into small, manageable steps. Set timers to reward yourself for completing tasks and find an accountability buddy to keep you on track. Remember, progress over perfection. Just keep moving forward, one step at a time. Number 5, cultivate the I will mindset. Finally, let's talk about the most important ingredient for a comeback, mindset. Ditch the self-doubt and replace it with an unwavering belief in yourself. When that negative voice whispers, "You can't," drown it out with a booming, "I will." Visualize your success around yourself with positive affirmations, and remember you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. There you have it, folks, your roadmap to the greatest comeback of your life. Remember, it's never too late to turn things around. So take action, stay positive, and create a comeback story that will inspire everyone around you. Leave a comment below telling me what you're gonna do to make your comeback epic. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and smash that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep hustling and keep believing in yourself.